box step. We're in a gated community. There is a tenant who is home. This patio shade is nice because it protects the area from the sun, but also it provides privacy from the second floor of the neighbors.
There's a light right by that couch, no?
Oh, got it.
On the other side of the couch?
Thank you.
Sure.
Okay, so we have vinyl flooring, laminate counters. Cabinets look to be in good shape. And then we have a powder room for guests. The paint is not peach, but maybe has a tiny bit of a peach hue to it. Mostly tan. I will get you. Yeah.
The microwave's ours, but the fridge, washer, dryer, and the stove comes with them.
Got it. Thank you. Okay, flooring is in good condition. We have 2.5-inch vinyl blinds, carpet on the stairs, and a skylight. These are not faux wood. Okay. Vinyl flooring. The seller specifically asked, or sorry, the tenant specifically asked I don't get her in the video and her sleeping son. So we have vinyl in this bathroom as well. Paint overall looks to be in pretty good condition. There's definitely some areas for touch-up, but that's to be expected in any property that's being lived in, really. This is a storage closet. We have a fan in here. Those are sticker decals that should come off without much effort. I'd say replace carpets. Okay, that's the property.